Create comprehensive tests quickly, even if you're not a subject matter expert, and speed up your hiring process. Building assessments from the ground up takes time and expertise that not every recruiter has, slowing down the assessment process. With test templates, you can select pre-built assessments designed for various roles and skills, eliminating the need to start from scratch. Simply choose a template, make quickly adjustments if needed, and have your test ready to go in minutes. Or by clicking on Create Test. Once inside, you can browse through the templates by searching for a specific role or skill. Additionally, you can select roles directly from the menu on the left. If you need a more specific option, filters located just below the search bar allow you to refine the templates based on experience level, skills, difficulty, and hands-on questions. This streamlined approach saves time and effort, allowing you to focus on finding the right talent faster. Ready to simplify your assessments? Start using test templates and make smarter, faster hiring decisions today.